Hi guys, it's Sam from Creatively Sam's, and today I'm making a very special fruit salad. If you want to see how I did this, stay tuned. It's coming up next. Okay, what I use for this fruit salad is kiwis, strawberries, blueberries, and bananas. So I'm going to get these washed, these peeled, and put them all together, and my very favorite fruit salad. Okay, I got the kiwis all peeled, and the strawberries have been cleaned and the tops taken off. The blueberries are all nice and clean, and the bananas are still back there just waiting patiently. And what I usually do is start off with the kiwis, and I like cutting these in bite-sized pieces. And these are, this little fruit salad is really good over vanilla or any flavor yogurt. But the first thing I'm going to do is just chop up the kiwi, and I'm going to put that in a layer in the bowl, and then we'll start in on the strawberries. Okay, I've got the layer of the kiwis down, and now the strawberries I'm just cutting in quarters. And I'm just going to put a layer of those on top, and if I need more, I'll get more. And you could very easily slice these. I like the quarters. And I also like this salad as is. I know it's really good over pudding, over yogurt, over ice cream, even with cottage cheese. But this is by far one of my absolute favorite fruit salads. And I find that the strawberries have a tendency to have an overpowering taste, so I don't use as many strawberries as I do the kiwis. Okay, now I'm going to slice up a banana. Okay, I have the bananas all chopped up in there, and now for the finishing touch, blueberries, which in my opinion makes this salad perfect. Not only gives it lots of really nice color, but the sweetness is just amazing. So, there's my fruit salad all done, all ready for me to dive into. And now that I have this all together, I'm going to give myself a little treat. And as far as I'm concerned, this is one of the most perfect summer desserts. It's sweet and it's healthy and it's so easy to make. Oh, it's so good. So I hope you'll give this a try. And like I said, there's more than one way to enjoy this. And if you like what you saw, give it a thumbs up, subscribe, and happy creating, everyone.